Jill, let me turn to you first and ask whether or not you think there's a single culprit for what's happened in the past few weeks, and whether or not this change in sentiment is really important.
You're setting me up here. You're setting me up here to name the one man that's been in the news more than anybody else around these price moves, Elon Musk, of course. And listen, just to address that from the outset, I think there's a very simple explanation for his about face, for Tesla's about face, which comes down to the fact that Tesla needs to maintain its status and perception as a clean energy play, as an ESG. You know, that's important for its inclusion in certain funds and portfolios. That's important for its relationship with government. And I think that it's as simple as that. It's very fun to conjecture about the rantings and ravings of a potential madman, but I wouldn't overblow that element of it.
Yeah. Is it fun, though, Meltem? I mean, how fun is it when so much of the market cap can be moved by literally one-word tweets by one person?
But look, hold on. That's not what moved the market. At CoinShares, we look at data. We manage $5 billion in assets. We're a publicly listed company. I don't care what Elon Musk says. My job and my team's job is looking at the data. Here's what's happening. Macro markets on Friday, we saw skittishness in tech stocks. We saw brief equities sell-off that's contributed to the sea of red in crypto. Tax season means they're selling across markets. And look, let's be very realistic. Bitcoin up 300% since the start of the year. It's very normal to see 25 to 40% corrections and pullbacks. What we're seeing, the majority of selling activity we've seen over the last week has been from new holders. People are coming in, they're getting spooked, weak hands are selling. We also see skittishness as we see a lot of uncertainty around stimulus in the macro climate contributing to selling, primarily retail driven. Also, if we look at the option side of the market, skew has been bearish for the last 2 weeks. So if we look at order books, right, traders have been primarily positioned on the short side, expecting a correction. I think right now, and if we look at the data right now, that sentiment is flipping. We're about as bearish as we can get. And again, this isn't about tweets. This is about using data to inform our perspective. Last week, for the first time, we saw over 50 million in outflows in crypto exchange traded products on the Bitcoin side, continuing to see inflows into Ethereum. And we see a lot of sector rotation as profits that have been realized on the Bitcoin side are now going further out on the risk reward spectrum into other assets, including Ethereum, Solana, FTT, just to name some. But there is a broader base sector rotation. Crypto's not immune to it, but I wouldn't overstate the impact that any one person's tweets can have on this market.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.